Well, guys. How are you doing? So, I think we have to wait 2 or 3 minutes while our fellow users connect to this webinar and we can start. Uh, Before we start, you can chat and prepare your questions. Hey all, guys. I'm so excited to be here. Uh, this is a great day for us. We already did it. Yo, Anderson. Yo, Hermes. Hi, all. So you can share where you from. Some tea. India, Nepal, Philadelphia, France, USA, oh, Colombia. So almost entire world here, entire planet. Oh, and Cuba too. Oh, Florida. I hope to be there someday. Bangladesh. So, guys, 2 minutes, and we start. Long Island. Okay. All of you know why we're here now and what we will introduce for you. This is most requested feature of last year client portal. And good news, it already released. But you can open it and install it using a special link that I will share you close to end of this webinar. Okay, Anderson. We will have some beer. Yes, I'm doing well, guys. I'm doing well. A bit tired because today was a long day for me and for all our team. We released a lot of features today. Some of them you already seen. So, okay, we can start, and we start. So, what is Client Portal? First of all, this is dedicated workspace for your external users, like clients, contractors, freelancers that you hire for some projects, and a lot of more cases. Today, we will review the most popular cases, as I think, and then I will share you a link and answer on your questions. So, okay, I'm gonna share the screen for you, screen and face, and we start. Okay, now you see a main page of my client portal that I already created. You will receive link how to create it. Knowledge base already filled for this. We have some articles how to use client portal, and You all will can play with it. Okay, so this is main page. Here you can see the list of the external users that you invited. Also, you can hear users that you invited, but they didn't accept it yet, your invitation. Also, you can create a few invite links to allow your external users sign up for different external user roles like clients, freelancers, and many all of them. Also, we have external roles that didn't create it yet. And we're gonna create our first external user role. We call it client. Role for my clients. And we will set permissions. Permissions means that you can manage which entities and which fields of these entities your external users can see. By the way, we created brand new access management system for client portal that we plan to implement in our main portal, in your internal portal, in few months. This is a pilot stage for these access settings, and these settings more convenient, more powerful, more flexible. You can do almost everything with them. You like a king of your Flowlu account with these settings. So first of all, we can set permissions for contact that's shared for your customer or external user. Organization, task, project, invoices, estimates, and knowledge base. Articles and also knowledge base. I will show you how to share a knowledge base to your users. So first of all, let's talk about contact. I can manage fields that my external user will see for contact that connected for his external user account. First of all, I will disable notes, create date, modified date, website, and second name. Here we have some switchers, three position switchers. And first position, middle position means that this setting inherit from default settings. Default settings, it's our settings. We define some default settings for some entities, some modules, so you can override it. I will override. Okay, for contact, I won't override some settings. For task, I'd like to hide task priority for my clients. I'd like to hide created date, modified date, who modified my task, when task was opened, when task was completed, first time and completed date, also owner's notes, and disable projects or enable projects by default, or override is enable. I will hide parent task I will hide CRM account that connected to this task if I share this task not via contact. Okay. Now you see that this is very flexible. Also, you can allow to create task for your customer or disallow it. Upload files for task and enable comments. When you enable comments for your external user, he can see comments, and if you allow create comments, he will be allowed to create them, as well as delete files as you need. Also, you can define which notification external user that related to this access role will receive. So we will not turn or disable notifications. We leave it as default. And now we will add some users for this new role. And it will be Adam Davis, our first external user. I'd like to excuse for slow system today because we had huge maintenance. We updated the database because it's a lot of changes, and now the maintenance still going. So next 2 or 3 days you will suffer some freezes, but I hope we will can make Flowlu even faster than before. So we created our access role for clients, and our client Adam Davis now can sign in client portal and see some things that we share with Adam. We can share with Adam via role, as I said you before. Also, we can override access for specific user, and we can define access for specific items, like tasks that not related to projects or CRM account that related to this customer. Just some tasks, just some projects, just some invoices. Almost all things that you want to share with your customer, you can define via group, via role, or from customer page here. So as you see, I will talk about available users a bit later. So permissions, available items. Here you can see when I open Adam Davis's page, we can see that external user CRM account already connected. This is my contact, Adam Davis, in my CRM, and this contact related to an organization, Gibson and McKinsey, and Adam will see this organization through Adam Davis contact. So if we will disable organization here for contact and relations, view relations, organizations. If we disable organizations, he won't see it. But this is his organization. Okay, next, here we can see that this user now in client now assigned to client role, and then we can define which users will be available for this external user and which users he won't see. This is very important feature because some business owners don't want to share their employees to to clients, and if some task uh, assigned to some stuff in your company, you can hide this stuff from task, and client just will see that somebody worked with this task, but won't see who, and or somebody left a comment, but won't see who. He won't see his name, email, and other contact information, just some user. Okay, I think you get it. We have users, me, Brian, Michael, and Sandra, that we can share with our Adam. By default, when you invite external user, your users that invited available for contact him via customer portal, and also you can disable and he won't see any users. Okay, let's go through next cases. So you see, we have external users, and let's invite one more. I already created some email for my external user, and this email will be client@flowlu.com. Also, I will create a new CRM contact for this user. When he will sign in, we will see it. Okay, also we will add this external user to group to access role client. By the way, you can assign a multiple roles for your external user and disable these roles if you want. So in our regular users, for our regular users, for your internal users, you can define only one role, but for external users, you can define multiple roles. And when we rebuild internal access system, you can assign multiple roles to your internal users too. So let's invite client@flowlu.com, and we can see that we send invite for him, and here we see this invitation. Let's check this link in incognito mode. I will use Safari incognito mode. Okay, now you can see that I already opened this link, and my client flowlu.com can sign in. It will be Max without last name. Some magic, and new user already created. Ta-da! So we just signed in via client using client profile, and now you can see customer portal, how client will see it, how your client will see it. So I will disable Safari and will work with Chrome. I already signed in using Adam Davis account, and first thing that your client will see is onboarding that created for this client or for this client access role or for all clients. So we created onboarding for all external users, and you also will be able to create as many onboardings as you want for your external users, for your clients, for your freelancers, for your external teammates. So we will answer on your questions a bit later. So what is onboarding? Onboarding is just a few steps that you define for your customer or for your employee to onboard him into your account. So just you can create some steps and he will complete these steps like I do now. As you see, when I complete step, next step open for me. When I complete a section, next section opens for me. Also, I will complete this onboarding in a few seconds. Okay, my onboarding completed, and I'm as a client totally understand how your portal works for me. Now I have my account page. Where I can see data from my CRM contact that related to my external user and his organization. As you saw before, you can hide some fields or all fields or whole contact for your customer if you don't need it. This is read-only information to keep it up to date for you. Okay, then we created a task dashboard for external users where he can see in Kanban view or list view tasks using Kanban view or list view. And now, as you see, he can't create any tasks, just see tasks. Okay, just see tasks. He just can see what happened. Oh, this is task for me, and I can filter it. Assignee, David Thompson. Okay. Oh, I can complete it. I can't complete it because I am not permitted to do it. Okay, let's go to our admin portal and go to external users. Go to external user roles and set permissions for tasks. View relations, available actions. I will allow to create task for him. Okay. Now we can see that he got a button, add task. and this task available to complete it. He can complete it, he can set start date, deadline, assign this task to me. I got a notification that Adam assigned me a task. Also, you can comment it and you can leave public or hidden comments. Public means that your customer will see this comment if this task available for your customer. Okay, we will create public comment. And as you can see, he can see the comment, but can't create any comments. But I gonna allow it. Create comments. And now he can create comments. I got a notification that Adam commented some task. So now you see that this feature is very flexible. You can hide all comments for your customer, and he won't see it. You can enable it, enable comments, he will see it. So also you will find a few bugs here, but we will fix it ASAP because it's just released feature. We so hurry to release it for you and maybe forgot some weird things. Don't worry, we will fix it as soon as possible. I already seen some little bugs, but I didn't see any software without bugs. So let's go through the projects. In projects, you can see almost all that regular users can see. But let's tune our project view for my customer. I gonna hide start date and end date. You see it, but now you don't. Okay, I will hide description. I will hide priority, financial management things, billing rate, and other things. Also, you can hide relations as well as in tasks. Mhm. Finance information, share or hide it. You can hide even tasks in this project, and he won't see any tasks. Now, now you can see that my customer see only two tasks. I will enable tasks that for projects, and he sees all tasks. Something weird with internet. Okay, works well. Uh, what else? You can manage comments and all other things works in the same way. You tune it for your customer. You hide information that you want share that you don't want to share. You open some information that you want to share, and it makes you perfect customer portal for your needs, or for your freelancers, or for your external teammates. Let's share some knowledge base for our customers, because a lot of users ask us to create knowledge bases that will be available for non-users but will be restricted for all people in the internet and client portal. will give you this ability. Already, I have a help center. Let's add some access for external users. As you see, we have now external users access panel here, and you can select a role as well as user. I will select a role that all the users that assigned to client role will be able to see this knowledge base. And now, okay, I see it. I see it, but there are no articles. I have to publish at least. Don't forget to publish your articles that to allow your customers or external users to see it, to see them. Okay. So we have some articles, we can fill it. All works. Also, I can send thank you, and here I see that somebody found this helpful. Let's check what else I can show you. Let's check what else. Okay. So I can show you how to create a perfect onboarding for your customers. So let's create onboarding. First section. Onboarding contains sections, subsection, and steps. Step 1, step 2. Okay, we have 2 steps, and we can paste content here, like instruction what he have to do to complete this step, like finish profile or something like that. Also, we will release in a couple of weeks some widgets that will allow your customer to fill profile or other things right from step. Then you define which users will be able to see this onboarding, and you can share it for all external users or for specific external users, like for all client or for specific user like Adam. Okay, I will select role clients and activate this onboarding for him and deactivate previews to allow him to see onboarding. Now you can see another onboarding as well as different access roles, different roles for external users will see different onboardings. Okay. I think this is great time to play with your questions, to answer on your questions, to be more interactive today, because today is a big day, big release, and you must have a lot of questions for me. And okay, let's start for first question. Can the clients access the products? If you need, we will add it to our backlog and release. But in very first version, there are no way to share products to your clients. can we prevent from externals from downloading the documents that we uploaded for them just to view? Actually, no. If he can see document, he will be able to upload it. Okay, download it. Does the client portal allow notifications to be sent to the client when documents are added to the client's portal folders, subfolders? No, there are no notifications related to documents. Okay, good case. Will we be able to customize our branding in the client portal? Of course, at the moment you can change your logo, and in next few couple of weeks we will extend our white label experience, and you will be able mm, also work with email templates and some other stuff. And as well as login page, you can to replace images, fav icons, and organization name. Hello, I love Flowlu, and so does my team. Thank you so much. Can the client portal be used for teaching things sequentially, and can I archive the files once they complete our program? I do not think that you can archive the files, but you can use knowledge bases for learning, or use onboarding for step-by-step learning, or something like that. Also, you can disable access for your clients to knowledge base when they complete it. Okay, let's open a more beautiful view. Um, how do we know the middle toggle is default or on off, or it always on by default? Okay, good question. So let's see. Uh, let's see what we can do with this. Okay, let's go to user role and see permissions. Actually, middle position, what means middle position? Enable or disable, you can check here. Default, enabled. Default, disabled. Like here. Oh, this is not so good case for projects. Okay, view relations, expenses. Default, disabled. Default, enabled. So you can disable or enable as you wish. Can we create a specific folder similar to Dropbox for each client where that client can upload documents, or for us to have documents for a client to download? For this case, you can use projects or tasks. We have to wait uh, to upgrade of our documents module to add it to customer portal. I hope we will release it in the first few months after New Year's. Customization availables. Also, you can customization available. Now customization is unavailable, but we're gonna release fully customization client portal, and you have only one client portal for your account. Uh, only one client portal. That means that you can set different permissions for different entities for your clients or for your contractors, but they will have same UI. If you will change color for header or change logo, this affects all clients. Can you set up repeatable tasks? I need the same task for each client at different times and would love to just select it, not have to retype it. Okay, let's try to do this. So let's create a new task. Let's create a new task for Adam. Also, you can assign tasks to your external users. This is very good. Okay, new task for you made, and this task recurring. Okay, let's make it recurring daily, yeah, each day. Now 7:45 p.m. and never. Okay, and save template. Let's see how many time now. 7:42. So in 3 minutes, this task will be created and I will check it. Okay, and each 24 hours, this task will be created again and again. Can we connect it with Shopify and automatically create portals to clients each time they order? Actually not. You have to invite your external users manually or using link or using invitation link. You can create a link. This is the same like in like when you manually add users, but you share this link for your clients or for your external teammates, and they will be able to sign in, and user group, user role will be applied to this link. So although you can create CRM contacts for each external user that signed up for using this link or not created. Now you see that we have two links with different tokens, and this link will create users for different roles. Okay. I work in international trade industry. What if I want my clients to see the following when they log in to the client portal? Available physical products, quotations, offers, contracts. So we will continue with customer portal demonstration in a few minutes, and I will show you how to share invoices and estimates to your customers. Okay. Okay. After projects, you can see invoices. Your customers can see invoices that issued for this customer or estimates that this that you issued for this customer, as well as knowledge base. So let's see how invoices work. In invoices, you have same invoice page like your internal portal has, and without some information, but your customer can proceed to checkout if you connect Stripe or Square or other online payment gateway. He will can to see external invoice page and uh, work with it. Or let's allow our client to leave comments for invoices. View relations, comments, available actions, create comments. And okay, comments enabled, or you can disable it, as well as upload files or for invoice, doesn't matter. Okay, and you can do the same in estimates. And you can do the same in estimates. Okay, let's issue invoice for my customer. Okay, customer Adam, and I will sell him sell audit for 500, and then he will see new invoice number 7 for sale audit. Okay. Also, let's see how estimates work for Adam. He has already 3 created estimates for Gibson and McKinsey, and he sees it. And here he can accept or decline this estimate. If I accept this estimate, I can create invoice, and I will see that my client accepted the estimate, accepted, and I can invoice him, convert to invoice, and he will see invoicing. Also, there is way to create invoices automatically. You just send estimate, and then when customer approve it, accept, invoice will be created automatically. Invoice automatically. Also, you can hide users from your external users. I already showed you how it works. And permissions, invoices, available actions. Okay, invoices and estimates and knowledge bases and tasks. Let's create task for my, now you see that I already created task for my customer using recurring task feature, and this customer will receive a task each day or each month or wherever you want. Or I can assign tasks to users that I can see in customer portal or chat with them. Okay. So this is how it works. You can chat with your clients. You can assign tasks for them. You can share projects. You can share specific items. Let's share specific project or task for Adam. I will create task only for me. Let's share this task for Adam. Adam available items and define access task. Okay. Now he can see this task. See and collaborate with you if you allow him to share comments. You can also mention him in comments and make almost all the things that you can do with your internal users. So we have a next few questions. Does client portal have APIs for creating invitations and content? Actually, API for client portal the same, tasks the same, projects the same, knowledge bases the same, invoices and estimates the same. So you can use our regular API to create things for your customers as well as create contacts. But you at the moment you can't create new external users, invite them. So we will have to improve this feature. Is there a contract feature for clients which they need to agree and sign the contract before moving forward? We're gonna release it. Not so far, not so far. I think in January or February we will release the contracts and new invoicing. Invoicing will be in March probably. And these updates will contain contracts. Are there any plans to have the ability to have a template that contains multiple milestones and tasks visiting? Man, we already have project templates, project workflows. You can use it and define work structure for each project automatically. Can a client create a task but not move progress in Kanban? If he will create task for you, if he will create task for you, on new task, okay, and I will assign it to me. If you create a task for this customer, he will be able to move it. But for other tasks that just allowed to see him to that task that he just can see, he can't move it. He can't move it. He can't move stage of these tasks. So, any questions? Any more questions? Uh, you can invite as many external users as you want, even 1,000. If you have 12,000 clients, you can invite them all. How do you associate a client with a project? Okay, there are a few ways how you can associate your client with a project. First of all, you can add customer like Adam. Okay, Adam. Now Adam is customer. This project has some tasks and Adam as customer sees projects that related to his contact. You can play with it and for example, disable projects for customer. Like I select Adam permissions and I disable projects that related to his contact. View relations projects disabled. Now he see only one project. Or I enable projects and he see projects where he is customer. Also, you can add some project using specific component to define access for specific items, like I did with task. So any more questions? Yes, can you have different onboarding sequence for different roles? I may have missed the answer. Yeah, you missed. You can, let's go through onboardings. So I have onboarding tool and here I can define access type. Like we have a few access types like administrators, custom for internal users that allowed to be used only by internal users that you select here, or user roles. Only custom for external users. Here I already defined client role for this onboarding. You can create as many onboardings as you need and define different roles for each onboarding, and different user roles will be able to use different onboardings. Is it possible to have all updates of a project show in the feed on the client's end? Uh, in this version, we not share history with clients. We just share comments. And if you enable comments for your customer, he will see it. If you disable it, he won't see it. At the moment, you can't list physical products in the client portal. How to get started? Use our onboarding. Create your own onboarding. You can use our onboarding by clicking here on main page. Oh, I disable it. So, or contact our support. You will be able to set by default that although a client is associated with the project, the client will not see the project in the portal. If you associate this client in project, and if you will allow relation to see relation, let's check it again. When you define your customer roles, permissions, you can see some relations of some things like task. I can open projects that related to specific task that already created for my customer, and he will see this project. Also, you can restrict project, and he won't see it, as well as in contact. You can enable projects or disable projects. If you disable projects, all projects that related to this customer will be hidden or will be shown because I created this project for Adam as customer. Okay. Thank you, Faith. Thank you for your words. It's amazing to have you among our users, among our good friends. Okay. Is there a way to add iframe embeds to data graphs, etc.? No. We strongly restrict to add any iframes in because this is basic security. How can I enable client portal feature? Oh, okay. May I ask you to leave some comments below this video to pump it in YouTube feed, and by the end of this webinar, I will share you a specific link. By following this link, you can install your customer portal and use it. The rest of the users will receive customer portal in a couple of days, but you all have ability, you have a chance to get it now. Okay. Thank you, guys. There are a lot of congrats for us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Any other questions, guys? I'm still here, and I wait your questions. Uh, here he can see only text. This is I just want to say this is very first version, very limited version. Uh, we we fully rebuilt our access management system. We fully rebuilt our view management system, and we will magnify it and then implement in wall portal in your internal portal too. You will be able to use some manage views and pages that you can manage, hide fields, show fields, reorder fields, and many other things. MS, can we list physical products in the client portal? No, at the moment you can't. But we will add products. We will add products module in few days. If you want, you will can share them. But all the products. Just clarify, the only way to make sure each client accesses their own secure portal, they need an individual link. No. When you invite your customer, he has default settings or settings that inherited from access role. And when you define access role, external user role, you can set permissions. which things you want to show, which you want to hide, and by default, you get when you invite your customer, you can assign a group access role for this customer, select or create a new contact, or so Michelle, I hope I answered your question. The physical products are not available. Okay. Can customers sign up directly from our website? Of course, if you share a link, sign up link in on your website page, create some link, sign up using this link, or click on this button and sign up. You will can to do it. William, it's great. Can't wait to see all that is come. It's already came, but you just need to get link. When I see some activity, I will share your link. When I will tire and will want to go home, I will share your link, guys. When you stop, leave questions for me, but don't stop. Love that you are continuously improving Flowlu. Great product. Thank you. And I'd like to say we just started to do it. Is there a limitation to number of external users? There are no limits now. Maybe in future, but not for you. Okay. Is there an approval decline system for a task? No, he just can complete or not complete task. Also, for lawyers, we're gonna release a secure messages feature in next few weeks. We will release secure messages feature. My friend Nicole already showed me a few months ago how it works, and it's pretty simple. Stripe PayPal integration would be great. It's already available. Single payments available, but we're gonna implement subscription payments too. The great feature for you. So, say you'd like to share some knowledge base here for my customers, Adam and Max, but I said him, guys, this knowledge base will be available for you only for for end of this week, and I set expiry date while this knowledge base will be available for my guys, for my Adam and Max. And now you can see that help center that this role client has access before 19th of November, and you can restrict or open things using dates. And this is we created it to implement subscriptions in next updates. Imagine that you issue a recurring invoice for your customers, and then when they paid for this invoice, their subscription is activated. But if they do not pay for next invoice. Subscription ends inactive, and they lose access to knowledge base or some different features that you shared with them. Okay. Oh, a lot of questions, guys. Let's see. How many companies or business can add? Okay. You can find this information in our knowledge base. Actually, you can add as many as you want, but if you'd like to restrict access for each company with your users, you have to create different accounts. Is there any subscription feature? Will be, my friend. I might have missed it, but when will the client portal will be available? It will be available right after this webinar. I will share you a specific link, and you all can install it. But leave your comments here, guys. Leave your comments. We need your comments. We need your comments, likes, and a lot of activity to pump this video, to get us traffic, to let us get traffic and robust flow for you. Okay. Is there any subscription feature for client to pay monthly basis? We plan to add it. We plan to add it. I might have missed. Okay. Fate. Yeah, secure messages. You will get it. Uh, Low pay integration would also be great. I think, yeah, I think it will be great. Uh, can we group external users into teams? Let's say we have vendors, and each vendor may have one or more of their team members as the primary, secondary contacts. Can we group them company? Um, Actually, you can add a company, then add uh, some contacts for this company and invite users related to these contacts, and then assign tasks for this company, assign projects for this company, and you will get a group. Also, if you will create a chat for some project, invite your external users this chat group, and all of them can communicate with each other. Thank you, Anderson. I'd like to get MRR too. Mustafa, not sure if I missed that, but can clients seen using their social media accounts also? So at the moment, that is impossible. They just can use password login. We will add multiple authorization in next updates. Oh, yeah, when we will can't add comments below video. Yeah, guys, when we will finish this webinar, the record will be available, and you all will can to leave your comments. Okay. What about Android app update? Actually, we work on this feature. We are working on this feature, and few months, and you will get it. Is it possible to have approval decline system, especially for client to approve a design or a revision? At the moment, there are no ways you can use tasks for this. Yes, Andrew, is online support disabled in client portal? Of course, of course. We don't want to get a lot of questions from your customers. We actually get it from users that already customers and invited by our users in their accounts, and this is terrible experience because they ask us about their account content. We don't know what they do there, but this is terrible experience now. And client portal will resolve it. Is the document management system? Unfortunately, no at the moment, but we will add it. Gabriel, Flowlu is the best project management software. Of course, I believe it. Can onboarding be used for new client onboarding? Of course. You just look one more for onboarding. This is very important feature because when you invite your client, you have to help him to start work with you, and you can create onboarding for it. And you imagine that you created onboarding, then set access type custom for external users, then assign role, external user role, and then invite users in this, assign these roles for your users when you invite them, and they will can use this onboarding. As well as separate for each client or separate for each internal user. Like you hire new people and you want to onboard them, so use onboarding for it. Oh, need to go to a meeting, mate. You will see a record of this webinar. So, any else questions, guys? Any else questions? So we are approaching to our main, the main reason why you are here. This is a magic link for you guys. I don't have client portal in the menu. Did I miss something? Yes, you missed a link that I will share you in few seconds, guys. Okay. So this is the magic link for you. Note that you don't need to go by this link right now because you have to paste your account subdomain or add it to your URL like I will do now. So you just add, look at my address bar. You can erase all, just leave root domain, and then paste slash and module 54. Then you will click on install button and you will get your customer portal. And we already shared your link for you. I can I can create a huge title like this. This is my link. This is relative link, or you can use absolute link like here. Or relative link. Okay. This is your links, guys. This link you just need to add by your root domain, or this link you have to change this subdomain name to your portal name. Okay, I hope you get it. If you have a custom domain, paste this part, cabinet module 54 right after your custom domain. If it doesn't work for you, check that you go through right link. Got it. Oh, I'm so happy that it works for you guys. So yeah, now to explore and set up. And regarding support, I think you all understand that now, in this moment, we get a lot of requests, and we will resolve it in few days maybe. So keep patience and use our instructions. Uh, Add instruction, please, for later, or email them. Let's check where we can find our instructions. Flowlu knowledge base, and here all you can see, you already can see customer portal. Oh, you will see it in few hours or few minutes. I think Daria will activate it when it will be finished. Okay, well, Daria said that you'll have all the instructions in the couple of days. But guys, we released it just when it finished. Our marketing and support team didn't didn't create it help documentation yet. We released it. Released it in today's morning, and all day we fixed some issues with this feature, and next couple days we will fix some issues, because we release it as soon as we can for you. Is there any option custom web form for projects? Hello, Rama. Just keep patience, and we will release in first quarter great web forms. I already know how it will works. It will be great feature. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I'm so happy that you meet with customer portal, that you enjoy customer portals. So we will improve it and improve UI permanently. We will work for you as hard as we can. Just be with us. Use client portal, use knowledge base, use project management, use tasks, and leave comments below this video when records will be available, and ask us about everything you want. Thank you. I hope this change the game rules for us and will help us to get more customers, will help us to hire more developers and build perfect software for you. This is my main and major goal, to build the perfect software. Yeah, this is we can say that this customer portal is early Christmas gift for you. So I think we can finish now, and let us to have some rest after the hard release, and uh, start to fix features, to create new features, because you all know that after customer portal we will have a few weeks for add some features, to fix some bugs on customer portal, and then we will start to work on new finance system and new invoicing system that will include subscriptions, invoice templates, totally customizable invoice templates, multiple currencies, and a lot of different things. Are we able to watch this video once the call is over? Of course, we will. This video will be available in a few hours after this webinar finished. Is it possible to keep parts of the project private from the client viewing? Of course, you can. Let's go again to our client portal, external user roles or external users, open users page. Then you can set permissions project. You can disable priority description, end date, start date, project financial management, billing rate, Gantt chart. You can just leave you can just leave tasks, issues, revenue, milestones, expenses. Okay, let's check. Okay, we just see tax, project manager. Okay, let's see it. And name of this project. You can share only tasks. Okay, we enable task, and our customer can uh, work with tasks, can see and comment it. How do we white label the welcome email and the welcome pop-up? Andrew, you won't be able to manage welcome pop-up because it's our pop-up from different service, and your customers won't have it. But you will be able in next 2 weeks, probably next 3 weeks, you will be able to manage all system emails that related to your account, and uh, you will can change the text or something like that. Guys, I'm so happy that you enjoy Customer Portal. We didn't expect such reaction from you. Thank you. Thank you for your support. It's very important for us. Can they access to the agile projects? Uh, if you want, we will let agile projects to customer portal, because it's very easy, guys. It's very easy to to create new features for customer portal. If you need to share some module for your customer, just ask us because we just released a minimum features, and then we will add more and more like custom lists, like agile projects and like products to allow you share products with your customers and invoice add these products to invoice and invoice them. But in very first version, you just will share some projects. Okay, some more questions. So a client will only see the tasks the client is assigned to, not all tasks in the project. Oh, Betty, if you will share tasks using permissions tab for projects, okay? He will see all the tasks in this project. If you'd like to share him only tasks that related to him, don't open the tasks and assign tasks using task form, like do it for me and Adam will get notification and task, okay, and complete. Can I assign user to CRM account organization? No, you have to do following things. First of all, when you invite external user, you select a contact because your user is a contact, and this contact, like Adam, worked for Gibson and McKinsey, and here you can see that Gibson and McKinsey has Adam Davis as a contact. And this is exactly this connection that allows your customer to see organization and organization's tasks, like here, task for McKinsey, task for McKinsey. Okay, we created a task. Then we will check that Adam or client role in organization view have tasks, and okay, task for McKinsey, and now he can see this task, or you can disable. I don't want to show tasks that related to organization for my customer, and he will not see it. Okay, accessing to the agile projects will help us with our projects and clients. Okay, I believe it. Can onboarding be automated based on triggers? At the moment, this is pretty simple feature, pretty simple, just steps that can be done, that can be finished manually. So guys, thank you all. I think we should finish this webinar because we have to have some rest before we will fight for this world again and again. Hmm. Hey, Nikki. You did a great job. You can say hi to our senior developers that watch this webinar now. You can all say hi, Nikki, and I'd like uh, to thank my team, to congratulate my team because they did a great job. They did it. They did it. They did something that they didn't do never. This is totally new feature for us, and we rebuilt almost whole Flowlu to create customer portal. This is great, great prospects, open great prospects for us, and great feature. So I finish this webinar for you guys. Uh, you can always reach me in customer support or in other resources. So I hope we will add new webinars in your in regular basis, like each week or each month. But now we are too busy building system for you. Yo, Nikki. Nikki, you now you are a famous person, mate. So bye bye guys. Bye bye. Don't forget thumbs up. Uh, Vote for this video. Uh, Sign up for our YouTube channel and leave comments for this webinar. Okay, leave comments, please. We so need your comments. Our one of our webinars now is about 16,000 views, and I'd like to have such views again. So bye bye, guys. See you tomorrow.